Hey everyone! Welcome to the first video in the security series here on Spectrum Sync. We're kicking off a deep dive into cybersecurity, where we'll cover everything from malware to network attacks, and how to keep yourself safe in this digital world. Today we're starting with malware, what it is, how it sneaks onto your devices, and the best ways to protect against it. Let's get into it. Malware is short for malicious software, designed by cybercriminals with one goal: to cause trouble. And they're not picky about what they mess with. Malware can change your settings, delete files, even steal your private data without you even knowing. That's like finding a raccoon has taken over your living room, and it's ransacking your personal stuff. So, how does malware actually get onto your device? There are plenty of ways. Just visiting an infected site, downloading a shady free app, clicking an email attachment from a prince offering you $1 million. Yeah, that's usually trouble. Old antivirus, outdated browsers, and using random USBs can also make you a target. Malware comes in different flavors depending on the bad guy's goals. The classic virus, for example, hides inside files, waiting for you to open it, and boom, it's spreading like gossip. Or there's the Trojan horse, which pretends to be a helpful app, but does damage once you let it in. And this is just the beginning. There's spyware, ransomware, keyloggers, each one designed to create chaos in its own way. Alright, let's talk defense. The first line of defense is good anti-malware software. It's like having a digital watchdog that checks files and apps against known threats and even analyzes suspicious behavior. Keep it updated and let it run checks in the background. Think of it as setting up security cameras. You don't want gaps in coverage. If you do end up with an infection, there's a tried and true method to clean it up: the 7-step malware removal process. 1. First, identify and research symptoms. Yeah, it's kind of like looking up medical symptoms on WebMD, but with computers. 2. Quarantine the infected system. 3. Disable system restore, so the virus doesn't hide out in restore files. 4. Remediate by scanning and cleaning. 5. Schedule regular scans and updates. 6. Re-enable system restore, but make fresh restore points. 7. And last, educate the user, because prevention beats repair any day. 7. Anti-malware programs are available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, and big names like McAfee, Norton, and Kaspersky have great options. And don't forget about email filtering. Most malware sneaks in through attachments, so email filters act like bouncers, keeping the suspicious stuff out. A quick heads up, not all anti-malware programs are good. Rogue anti-malware will throw fake pop-ups like, "You're infected, click here to clean up," but clicking it can actually start an infection. If that happens, close it using Alt+F4 or the task manager. Don't click it. Finally, keep your systems up to date. Old unsupported software is easy prey for malware. And always have backups. It's better to be safe than sorry. That way, even if you do get infected, you're not losing important files. So that's the basics of malware and how you can protect yourself. But malware is only one piece of the puzzle. In the next part of this series, we're going deeper into security with network attacks. Everything from man-in-the-middle to denial of service. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on how to protect yourself against those too.